the season to be jolly. Fa la 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 la. This is the Christmas season, so there isn't any reason we can't bake our favorite Crème Christmas Cupcakes. Hello and welcome to the Shilpa Shetty channel, and this is the art of loving food. Christmas colors, pretty lights and pleasant winters. They are such a magical combination. And add some sweet treats to it and life's wonderful again. ऐसे में हम कुछ मीठा ना बनाएं, ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है? Today we're baking some delicious Crème Christmas Cupcakes using the Nutralite DoodhShakti Probiotic Butter Spread. It's made of creamy milk, which will give our cupcakes that perfect texture, and the probiotics in it help support immunity. We'll also be using jowar and almond flour, making this one a great gluten-free option. As you know, almond flour is a great source of protein and healthy fats, whereas jowar is a great source of fiber and essential minerals. Ho ho ho! Let's go go go! सबसे पहले we need room temperature Nutralite DoodhShakti Probiotic Butter Spread. Room temperature, ठीक है? इसमें हम ऐड करेंगे sugar and we just cream it together. Just cream it for at least 5-7 minutes. अब इसमें हम ऐड करेंगे yogurt. That should be good. Okay. Now we add in all our dry ingredients. The jowar flour, sieve it and just put it in. Almond flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, baking soda, a pinch of salt, add milk of your choice, vanilla essence, Smells like Christmas. This is the consistency. It's not watery. So these are silicone molds. You don't need to add any fat to it. Get out. Now we're going to put this in the oven that's already preheated to 180 degrees Celsius. This goes in for 25 minutes. अब हम बनाएंगे frosting. We've got 3/4 cup dark chocolate that we've melted, and we've got white chocolate. We just add milk to it. And then we add the Nutralite DoodhShakti Probiotic Butter Spread. Two different frostings. done. अब हम इसे रेफ्रिजरेट करते हैं, maybe around 15 minutes. Oh wow! You can see those cracks. That's because it doesn't have gluten. We've used almond flour and jowar, so that's perfectly normal and perfectly healthy. तो बहुत गर्म है हमारे कपकेक्स. आइसिंग करने से पहले हमेशा इस चीज़ का ख्याल रखें कि जो कपकेक्स हैं वो थोड़ा सा रूम टेम्परेचर हो जाए, otherwise the whole icing will melt on it. Alright? So I'm going to go and get my icing ready while this stands and goes a little cold. Okay, so now our cupcakes are room temperature. How beautiful they are. The icing. Ta-da! What's Christmas without candy cane? So pretty they look now, and they are actually yum and healthy too. You're gonna absolutely love it, and your kids will love you for it. Adding the Nutralite DoodhShakti Probiotic Butter Spread has made them absolutely yummy and tasty. It truly is the butter way to do it. Do try this recipe out, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do press the bell icon to make sure you get all the latest updates. और क्या? जैसे मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ, स्वस्थ रहो, मस्त रहो, and wishing you and all your loved ones a very Merry Christmas in advance.